Hello guys, my name is Abhishek. Welcome to Review and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine in this quarantine. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can highlight a text inside a photo in Premiere Pro. So if you want to highlight any text inside any photo, then you should watch this video till the very end. By the way, one more thing I would like to tell you guys is that if you understand Hindi language, then only subscribe to my channel. If you don't, then please just leave a like and enjoy the video. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. Okay, so we are inside the Premiere Pro now, and suppose we want to highlight the text inside this photo. The very first thing I want to tell you guys is that this technique doesn't work on the text you have just written inside the Premiere Pro. It will work only on the photos which you have imported, like suppose the text which is there on the photo, right? So suppose I want to highlight some text, some lines in this photo. So what I'll do, I'll go and click on color mate, and yellow is the color which is generally used to highlight, so I'll choose that. I'll drag it to my timeline, and then what I'll do, I'll resize it. I'll rescale it. So uncheck the uniform scale, and you can reduce the height and the width separately. And because for this I asked you to uncheck the uniform scaling. Then suppose we want to highlight the first line. So the height is little more. We don't want that much height. Suppose height is 5 and width should be the least, like 1 or 2 will do. Now we'll place this highlight at the very initial position of the line. Now I still feel that the positioning is little awkward, so I'll move it little bit. I'll adjust it. You can do that according to yourself. Now the highlight is at the initial position of the line. Now you must be wondering that it is covering the text, the portion on which it is there. So we want to make it transparent. So we'll go to this blend mode and we'll select darken. Now you can see the portion is perfectly highlighted. Now we have to use keyframes to animate this. So we have to keyframe two things, position and width. Now we'll play the clip, suppose till here, 13 seconds. Yeah, that will do, or maybe less than that. Now suppose at 5 seconds or 7 seconds, 6 seconds maybe, we want it to highlight the whole line. So now we'll move the position till the middle of the line, and now we'll increase the width. Okay, I think the width will not match with the position, so we'll tweak a little. We'll go on the little right side and then we'll increase the width little bit more, like, yeah, so that it covers both the initial and the end of the line. Okay, it's perfect. Now we'll go back and play it again. See, it works like magic. So now what we have to do, we have to easy out it, the keyframes. So we'll select all the keyframes, then we'll select ease out, Ctrl S to save. Now you can see it is highlighting the whole text perfectly. So I hope it will help you. So that's pretty it. I hope it will help you and you enjoyed the video as well. If you have any query, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Until then, over and out.